Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's amazing to me that it's December already. For the Thanksgiving weekend break, I guess you can call it, I decided to have a sale because things weren't moving in my shop, neither on Etsy or on my website. So I decided to have a sale on Etsy just because it was easier that way, and that's where most people that don't know me find me. I don't really like to have sales because my prices are my prices. I have my prices listed to make it not only affordable for people, but also make it make sense for me and my business. So I don't like to do sales, but I decided to do it this time. If I get a whole bunch of orders at once, then, at least it'll make it worth the sale. And it worked out. I still have, I think, 2 days left for the sale because it's like a Cyber Week sale. I think it ran from like the 24th or the 26th till December 4th. So I still have a couple days. And then yesterday I decided, let me do a Cyber Monday sale on some sweatshirts in my shop. Those haven't been moving. I feel like most of the ones that I sell are custom. So because I have the DTF prints and everything, I figured let me make a sale. I'm actually going to extend the sale to Friday. So I'm going to do that in a little bit. I have to extend it and then I am going to promote it again, just in case. But I'm gonna wait till the stories from yesterday expire, so that way, it can be like a refresher. I got an order for that sale as well, for the Cyber Monday sale on my website. So we're gonna work on that, not today, because I want to see if maybe I can get a couple more orders for them, maybe work on them all together. And I do need to pick up a sweatshirt for that, so maybe I'll do it all together, but it all depends how it goes. But as far as right now, what I'm gonna do is work on the cake toppers that came in over the weekend. All right. Oh, camera's moving a little bit too much for my liking. Can you stop? You guys saw me clean up my desk. I wasn't initially gonna clean up. I was honestly just going to create on top of it. But I forgot that I got a package this weekend. While I was away, I got my package from Glassboard Studio. I waited for them to have their 20% off. So I ordered a whole bunch of things. Honestly, I forget the accessories that I ordered. But it's a glass craft mat and I got it in pink. I haven't seen it in person, obviously, because I haven't unboxed it. So I figured, let me do an unboxing for YouTube. And I'm also going to set up the camera so that I can do an unboxing for social media, but I'm excited about it. I totally forgot. It's been such a long time since I ordered it. I have no idea how I'm gonna set this up yet because I do have to set up for social media. You know what? Let me bring the tripod. This is my tripod for my content phone. Oh my goodness, please tell me I brought my content phone. I did. Yay. Okay, so that's my content phone. I also need the light. Where is it? I have a light over there that I'm using for you guys, but I don't know where my other light is. Oh, here it is. Oh man, it's not fully charged. I need to have it fully charged. In the meantime, I'm just gonna use the light that I'm using for you guys. Let me move all of this out the way. What angle are we gonna do this at? everything would have been perfect, except that they didn't send me the accessories that I purchased. So now we're gonna have to find out where my accessories are, because I thought everything was gonna come in that big package and it didn't. I think I got the magnetic ruler and like a scrap holder thingy. So I don't know. Some jewelry can scratch glass, great. Hard objects like glass containers, yes. Try not to press too hard when cutting. I just wish that I would have waited, because now they have a limited edition pink sparkly one. And I think I would have liked that so much more. But it's all right. First, let's find out what the heck happened to the rest of my stuff. I just checked the details, the tracking info and all that stuff. It did arrive the same day. It just arrived in a different package. And it's raining right now. It might be snowing. It's just pouring rain, so I don't want to go get the package. That's actually a sign for me to get these orders worked on, because I have been wasting about an hour and a half. I have been making custom wrapping paper, unboxing this, watching a Netflix documentary on Diddy. I've just been wasting a lot of time. So let me get these orders started. You know what? Let me just move this over, because I do want to save this for the social media video. I don't want to take out the tag or anything yet. I want to have this saved specifically for the social media video. This is a real behind the scenes on all of my social media videos. You guys definitely always get the real behind the scenes of all of my social media posts. I had to stop filming that part, put it away, wait for my other package to be brought in, and continue from there. But that's usually how it goes. Like, it's never perfect, you know? We only show the polished version on social media. So this is just proof that it happens, you know? All right, so I have 3 of the unicorn ones to make. I'm just gonna create 3 different piles of everything that I need for each one. And actually, I have to find out how many age 1, age 4, and age 4. So for my unicorn topper, the most popular age is age 4. I want to say about 95% of the orders for unicorn toppers are age 4. But this time we have 2 4s and 1 1. I got the 3 different toppers laid out, and I do need to cut a lot of pieces. So I'm just gonna make a list. I think I'm just making a list because I love to write. I think everybody's come to a conclusion that I just love writing. I've always loved writing, and lately, I don't know, I've been doing it so much more. But anyway, I'm gonna try not to cut like too many pieces, too many extras. Usually when it comes to unicorn toppers, I do, but I'm not gonna focus on that. Like, I'm not gonna worry too much about cutting extra. So I know for sure for the glitter white, so white glitter, oh my goodness, goodness, this is so cold. Hold on one second. I gotta turn on the dice. And because I did turn it off earlier for my social media video, I have the remote right here. So I'll just keep it with me just in case. Anyway, so for the white glitter, I need a rainbow. And I need, I don't know what happened. I don't know why I have only one of these clouds. I always cut evenly, so I should have two. The only thing I can think of right now is that maybe something got messed up and I used an extra one. So we're gonna say 2 sets of the clouds, the regular clouds, because I also have the mini clouds. But the mini clouds, I already have a set for each one. All right, so that's the white glitter. Next is gonna be the hollow. So for the hollow, I need a rainbow, a little number 4, and then the name, of course. Names. And there's 3 names because there's 3 toppers. So that's for the hollow. I just want to make sure. Yeah. Next is gold. For the gold, I need 2 sets of the clouds and the names times 3. So 1, 2. Yeah, we're good to go with the gold. And the rainbow. The rainbow, I need 2 blues. So for the rainbow, I'm just going to make all blues. So you know how I said I wasn't going to worry about cutting extras? When I run out of the rainbows, like the individual pieces, I always cut a whole sheet worth. So I'm just going to cut a whole sheet worth of the blue rainbows. I'm trying to see what else. I feel like I'm missing something. For the white clouds, not for the white clouds, for the white glitter, I do need to use scraps and cut more clouds. So mini clouds, which are minier than this, but you'll see. It's a paper punch that I use. So I need scrap clouds. That's what we'll call them. Oh, and then the pink. I do need the pink names. Okay. That's all I need to cut. So I'm gonna go and design all of this on my Silhouette Studio, and then we'll get to cutting. I finished cutting all the things. All my piles are ready to go, but I'm gonna stop right here and I'm gonna go have lunch because it is lunchtime. And then I'm also going to take advantage and get my package so I can finish the social media video. I'll probably have to move everything over and continue that, or maybe I'll do it later. I don't know. We'll see how long it takes to have lunch. I'll be back in a little bit. For you guys, it'll be a second. I'm back. I finished putting together all of the cake toppers. Not fully together. No, it's not fully together. I put all the pieces together. So I have all of the layers together. This, the rainbow, the unicorn, the numbers, everything. I just have to assemble it fully, make them actual toppers, and add the sticks, package, all that good stuff. But before I do that, I want to finish the video. I found the package. What I ordered should be in here. This should be it. I mean, I don't know. So I'm gonna get everything ready to finish this social media video. The toppers, I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna finish them today or if I'm gonna finish them tomorrow. They don't have to ship out till tomorrow. So it's not like, you know, I'm rushing to do them. I guess I gotta see. I have about 20 minutes to finish this video. If I can finish the video in 20 minutes, then I'll just finish the toppers tomorrow. Oh my goodness. I'm just trying to take out my address. I want to take out the shipping label so my address isn't shown. And it seems like this alone is going to take me 20 minutes. Maybe I'll just put it in a way where you can't see my address. Take 2 on the social media video. What the heck? Why can't I follow the line? You guys already saw this, but look how pretty this looks. I'm just so scared to scratch it. It says that it's scratch resistant, not scratch proof. But if you guys are interested, I have a coupon code and it's 15% off. Sometimes you get 20% off, but I think it's like special occasions. But right now it's 15% off. Just use the code Stephanie Crafts and it's free shipping if you do 75 or more. Definitely check them out. I'll keep you guys posted with how this goes, but I think this is gonna look really, really, really pretty in the background of my videos. That was one of the main reasons I got them. But I also got them for this because I have like a whole bunch of little scraps and stuff. So it's going to be easier for me to keep track of my scraps. And then the smallest one will hopefully help me keep the dots for my eyes in order because I'll be losing them things like there's no tomorrow. Remember how I said I only had 20 minutes earlier? That wasn't the case. I didn't need to finish up in 20 minutes. I think I'm going to finish the unicorn toppers. That way I could just get it over and done with today. Yeah, I think I'm going to do that. All right, my friends, we have made it to the end of the video. I have 3 cake toppers ready to go, but I'm not gonna drop these off till tomorrow. So I put the shipping date to reflect tomorrow. Instead of today, Tuesday, it's gonna say Wednesday, which is perfect because it has to go out by tomorrow. These don't have to ship till tomorrow. As far as the sweatshirt that I have to press, I'm gonna do that in next week's video. For you guys, it'll be next week, but for me, I'm gonna film it or start to film it tomorrow. So that's gonna be Christy's sweatshirt. Shout out to you, Christy. I never posted that the sale is gonna continue or is continuing. So I'm gonna do that shortly. Cross your fingers that I get more orders for some sweatshirts. That way I can pick up a whole bunch at once. This is where I'm gonna end the video. If you guys have made it all the way to the end of the video, let me know in the comments down below what color you would get the glass craft mat. You know what? Let me look real quick to see what colors they offer. So they have the pink sparkle craft mat, which is the one I wish I had. Emerald green sparkle, clear sparkle, white, gray, black, floral, lilac. We're gonna say confetti, but it's color burst. Aqua. We're gonna call this one baby blue. Blush, mountain majestics, or sugar cookie. If you were to be able to choose one, which one would you choose? Thank you guys so much for spending the day with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you have an amazing rest of your week and I'll talk to you guys la próxima semana.